This strange-looking propeller might initially seem like a joke, shaped more like a floating donut than a precision engine part. But behind its playful form lies a powerful innovation that could reshape how we move across land, sea, and sky.
We are going to develop a state-of-the-art inboard propeller that is more fuel efficient and quieter and smoother.
It's called the Toroidal Propeller, and it's not just quieter, it's faster, more efficient, and shockingly effective.
Immediately you notice the boat's quieter. It's a much more enjoyable ride.
Boats slice through water with less fuel. Drones glide almost silently. And that's only the beginning. What you're about to discover is no gimmick. This design is real, working, and may just be the future of transportation. Let's take a closer look. The strange shape that started it all. At first glance, the toroidal propeller looks like a mistake. Instead of flat or angled blades, it forms a continuous ring, a loop that bends back into itself like a Mobius strip with a twist of engineering genius. Technically, it's based on a toroid, a geometric shape resembling a donut. But unlike donuts, this ring isn't built for taste. It's built for performance. Traditional propellers slice through water or air with sharp spinning blades that create turbulence and noise. But the toroidal prop takes a completely different approach. By curving into itself, the blades minimize the chaotic wake and redirect energy more efficiently. This design wasn't invented overnight. It results from years of experimentation by engineers and researchers from places like MIT and companies like Sharrow Marine. They weren't just chasing style, but silence, thrust, and efficiency. What started as a peculiar concept has proven to be a functional, scalable upgrade to an age-old mechanism. The shape alone is enough to turn heads. But as we're about to see, its performance turns everything we know about propulsion on its head. How it works. The science behind the silence. To understand the toroidal propeller's genius, we must dive into the science of motion, specifically how air or water reacts to spinning blades. Traditional propellers generate lift and thrust by slicing through fluid. But at the tips of each blade, something called a vortex forms. These swirling mini tornadoes cause turbulence, drag, noise, and wasted energy. This is known as tip vortex loss, and it's been a stubborn problem in propulsion for over a century. The toroidal propeller rewrites that physics. Instead of ending in sharp tips, its curved closed-loop blades prevent those vortices from forming. The ring-like structure redirects the flow inward and around, distributing pressure more evenly across the surface. The result? A massive drop in noise, turbulence, and drag. This shape doesn't just reduce the unwanted effects, it transforms them into usable energy. The closed geometry increases the induced flow, pulling in surrounding fluid more efficiently. In water, this means stronger thrust with less fuel. In the air, it means quieter, smoother lift. What's remarkable is that all of this is achieved without increasing speed, size, or energy input. The propeller works smarter, not harder. By reshaping the way fluid moves, the toroidal design is turning an age-old invention into a future-forward powerhouse. Visual proof, side-by-side comparisons. Skeptical? So were many engineers until they saw it in action. When you place a toroidal propeller next to a standard one, the difference isn't just measurable, it's visible. In water tests, both propellers spin at the same speed, with the same size and power input. But look closely, and the results speak for themselves. The traditional prop churns up a chaotic trail of bubbles and swirls, evidence of cavitation and tip vortex formation. Meanwhile, the toroidal prop cuts through almost silently, producing a smoother flow with significantly fewer bubbles. One of the most revealing tests uses dye injected into the water. With the standard prop, the dye disperses quickly and locally. With the toroidal version, the dye is pulled in from a wider area, showing how this unique design captures more fluid per rotation. More fluid means more thrust, and more thrust means better performance. In side-by-side drone tests, The toroidal blades also generate lower noise across critical frequency ranges, making them nearly inaudible in flight. It's one thing to claim efficiency, it's another to see it, and these tests show exactly why this propeller is gaining attention worldwide. Marine marvel: boats that whisper. One of the most exciting applications of the toroidal propeller is in marine transport. Sharrow Marine has taken the lead in developing these donut-shaped wonders for boats, and the results are extraordinary. Tests on recreational and commercial vessels reveal a stunning boost in performance. Boats equipped with toroidal props glide more smoothly, respond faster, and consume less fuel, often saving up to 20% on fuel costs. That's a huge leap for both wallet and environment. But it's not just about speed or savings. The noise reduction is where things get truly impressive. Traditional propellers send loud vibrations through the hull and into the water, something that disturbs marine life and contributes to underwater noise pollution. In contrast, toroidal props create a soft hum that's barely audible even at high RPMs. This quiet efficiency means better comfort for passengers and a smaller environmental footprint. Fish, whales, and dolphins rely on sound to navigate and communicate, and these quieter boats help preserve their natural habitat. Add improved reverse thrust and handling, and it's clear, this isn't just a better propeller, it's a smarter one. The future of boating might just be shaped like a ring. Airborne silence. Revolution in drone propulsion. While boats benefit from fuel savings and smoother rides, drones gain a whole new advantage: near silence. At MIT's Lincoln Laboratory, researchers took the toroidal concept and redesigned it specifically for aerial use. Their goal? To create the quietest drone propeller ever built. And they're close. Standard drone blades are notoriously noisy, producing high-pitched buzzing that disturbs wildlife and annoys anyone nearby. But when MIT's toroidal blades take flight, the sound is dramatically reduced. Side-by-side decibel charts reveal a striking drop in the most sensitive frequency ranges, the ones our ears are most attuned to. It's not just about being quiet for the sake of comfort. Silent drones could open up entirely new possibilities: wildlife monitoring without disruption, surveillance with less detection, or even urban delivery drones that don't sound like flying blenders. The toroidal propellers pull in more air, generate steady lift, and do it all without the noisy chaos of traditional blades. That means smoother operation, less wear on motors, and longer flight times. In the world of drone tech, where every gram and decibel matters, this might be the biggest leap in years. Crunching the numbers, real efficiency gains. Numbers don't lie, and the data behind toroidal propellers is nothing short of remarkable. In real-world marine tests, these propellers have shown up to 205% efficiency compared to traditional ones when operating at cruising speeds. That's not a small bump, it's a transformation. Consider this: a typical boat engine running at 4,000 RPM with a standard propeller delivers decent speed but wastes a significant amount of energy in turbulence and noise. Swap in a toroidal prop, and suddenly the same engine delivers more thrust, faster response, and smoother motion, while burning less fuel. The benefits stack up especially during mid-range cruising, where most boats spend their time. Toroidal props hit peak efficiency sooner, meaning your vessel operates at optimal performance during regular use, not just at top speeds. Even small gains in efficiency can lead to massive fuel savings over time. And when combined with reduced vibration, improved handling, and quieter operation, the numbers paint a clear picture. This isn't a luxury upgrade, it's a smart investment. If performance, cost, and sustainability matter, then the toroidal prop isn't just better, it's in a league of its own. Challenges and costs. As revolutionary as the toroidal propeller is, it's not without its hurdles, most notably the price tag. Traditional propellers are relatively easy and cheap to manufacture. In contrast, the complex curves of a toroidal design require advanced methods like CNC machining or 3D printing. That level of precision doesn't come cheap. A Sharrow marine propeller, for instance, can cost around $5,000 compared to just $500 for a standard one. That's a steep entry point for casual boaters or hobbyists. But it's important to consider the long-term payoff. With significant fuel savings, quieter performance, and better handling, many owners report that the propeller pays for itself over time. Scalability is another challenge. While the design works wonders on small to mid-sized boats and drones, it's unclear how well it can perform on large cargo ships or aircraft, where engine speeds and fluid dynamics differ significantly. Still, early tests are promising, and as demand grows, mass production could bring costs down dramatically. Like most groundbreaking tech, the toroidal propeller starts as a premium product, but with the potential to go mainstream as materials and methods catch up. The toroidal propeller may look like a curiosity, but it represents something far more profound, a glimpse into the future of movement. Quieter seas, smoother skies, and more efficient engines might soon be powered not by brute force, but by intelligent design. It challenges everything we thought we knew about propulsion, and yet it fits perfectly into what tomorrow demands: cleaner tech, smarter energy use, and less noise in a crowded world. As engineers refine it and industries embrace it, this ring-shaped marvel could become the standard across multiple forms of transport. So next time you see a donut-shaped blade spinning quietly, you'll know the future has already begun.